And even though we've switched to virtual, I still get so much out of our time together.
Well, that's good, because we sure as hell aren't paying you for it.
My exercise-induced asthma has gotten so much better by addressing my stress levels.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear, Cypress. Now, remember, next week is bring your dog to...
Sorry, I'm late. I was prepping my single-serve turkey dinners for the inclement weather on the way.
What weather?
The polar vortex, the negative 30-degree wind chills that are on their way. I mean, it's going to be freezing, and I'm going to be all alone.
Well, I'd be glad to send you my family. 3 small kids, and you're going to be begging for mercy within 15 minutes.
That wind chill is not going to be good for my asthma.
No, it's terrible for my hands. I get so dried
All
out.
right, let's refocus, everyone. Let's get started, shall we? Now remember, breathe from the diaphragm. And we breathe through the nose, out the mouth. Breathe in positivity. Breathe out the COVID. Yes, Cypress, cough up those COVID molecules. Get all your body.
Shit! Everybody, get to your windows right now. Amber alert, black Ford Focus, 2012, Illinois license plates. We gotta find it right now. Come on.
Now, remember, everyone, it's the system's duty to protect and help these children, where our responsibility is just to be aware of the car and then just push that negativity away. Just push it away like clouds so we can greet the sun. Why don't we get back to stretching? Let's start that, shall we, everyone? And you bring your right arm across the body, stretch those fingertips, reach out to the lonely man in your apartment building, then raise your arm and greet the sun.
Oh my God. No. No.
Cypress, breathe. Remember, we're all okay.
Oh, what is it? Come on.
Tom Hanks died.
It's the worst day of my life. Wait. Where are you seeing that?
It's on Us Weekly.
Breathe.
Come on. He just posted the Instagram. False alarm, guys. Come on, Cypress. You can't just do that to people. Tom Hanks is a national treasure.
And maybe we can take this moment to make sure that all of our phones are on silent. Let's enjoy the gift of living in the present. Let's refocus our brains and talk about what we're grateful for. I am grateful for good internet and that the community center was able to distribute 100 hotspots so we can remain connected. Oh, I'm also very thankful for this oil diffuser my partner got me for the solstice. Like breathing the moon. Cypress.
I'm grateful that it's winter, so the pollen count is low, and my exercise-induced asthma can't act up.
That's wonderful. Shauna.
I am grateful for Pick and Save sales on single-serve turkey dinners and also solo vanilla ice cream cups.
Oh, wonderful. Digging deep today, Shauna. Joe?
Yeah, I'm grateful that my kids are finally distracted by virtual school or that stupid Among Us game. Oh, I guess also my boss thinks this is a virtual meeting.
Well, I am honored you're lying to your boss to spend time with us. Let's get back to stretching now that we're focused again. Wherever you feel that negative energy, just stretch the body, make it loose, and you swan dive into that beautiful pool of moonlight. Yes, Cypress, get it out.
Oh, I'm sorry, Billy. I forgot to silence this. Oh no. Oh, Rogers is out for the season. He's got the COVID.
Oh, come on. No!
My bucket.
We still have Jordan Love.
I don't even Jordan like him.
You know what? I know we're all feeling disappointed right now, but let's take this negative energy and see what we can do with it. Let's try our shaking practice, shall we? Remember? Start small like a hummingbird, little shakes, and then just get it in your body and slowly build till you're shaking it off like Taylor Swift. Kick away the haters. Yes, yes, get into it. Get guttural. Yes, Cypress. Yes! Yes! Feel the animal inside.
I'm sorry. I forgot to turn off the notifications again. Oh no, the coyotes are back.
Wait, next door, right?
Yeah. Oh no, they killed the dogs.
God, I just
That's
let him out.
horrible. If a coyote even runs through my yard, I'm triggered.
Let's try some facial expressions. Banana. Banana. Crescent moon. Long centipede. Raisin, nibble on that little raisin. Yes, banana. Crescent moon. Long centipede, get your body into it. Banana.
No.
Fine, go back to screaming. See if I care.
No, it's Evers. He just announced that every single liquor in the store in the state is closed. It's not an essential business, and frankly, I don't think I'm going to survive.
Can he do that? Oh, let me ask on next door.
I have about 10 grand in savings. They're still probably open. We can stock up till June. Let's go.
Shit, I can't manage Jordan Love as QB without my G&T. I can't do it.
Well, coming to.
And of course, I didn't think they could make it worse, but they did. Miller Park is now David Gruber Field.